This time we are back with a fun and up-tempo way of staying fit. A little warm-up to begin with. Arm rotations and shoulder rotations, both backward and forward. It is important to warm up before dynamic exercises to relax your muscles and lessen the risk of injuries. Next, jumping jacks. March on the floor to get warmed up slowly. Move to the rhythm of the music and enjoy your workout. Let's do some step aerobics. All you need is a step or an elevated platform, some motivation and excitement, and we can step right into step aerobics. First exercise, right foot up, left foot up, right down, left down. Move to the right and step back to the left while swinging your hands up and down. Repeat this on other side as well. Make sure to fully place your feet on the step and not leave your heels hanging off the step. These beginner level moves are targeted at your legs, upper body and core, building not only your strength and flexibility but also improving balance and coordination. Step on the platform alternately, trying to reach your right elbow to your left knee and left elbow to your right knee on the next move. Make an effort to stretch as you perform this exercise. Next, step on the platform with one leg and bend your other leg to touch your back. Move your hands backward and feel the stretch in your arm muscles. In the third exercise, you have to move from right to left, stepping on the platform and back from left to right, doing the same. Next, stretch your hand above your head while alternatively stepping on the platform first on your right foot, facing your left side, followed by left foot and facing your right side. Notice that you have to stretch your other foot outwards when one foot is on the step. The final exercise. Stretch your arms upwards and one foot outwards while stepping on the platform with the other foot. Now, let's do some stretches to cool down. Hope you enjoyed this step aerobics workout. Stay fit and have fun.